Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share easy and simple way for beginners on how to propagate orchids. Contrary to many people's belief that orchid propagation is slightly frightening task reserved only for experienced growers, I discovered that just how straightforward it can be. The truth is, with a little patience and the right guidance, anyone can successfully propagate their orchids. To get started with orchid propagation, you'll need a few basic tools: a healthy orchid plant, a sharp knife or pruning tool, and some sphagnum moss. The process itself involves carefully dividing the plant or using a technique called kiki propagation. For division, you'll want to look for a plant with multiple stems and gently separate them. When using kiki propagation, you'll be looking for small plants that grow on the stem of the mother plant as shown on the pictures. Once you've chosen this method, it is essential to follow a few key steps. For division, make sure to handle the roots with care, and for kiki propagation, wait until the small plants have developed their own roots before cutting them off. The secret to successful orchid propagation is actually quite simple. Provide the right environment and be patient. Making sure your new orchids have enough light, water, and nutrients will go a long way in ensuring their success. Most importantly, don't rush the process. Give your orchids the time they need to grow. The foolproof method I've discovered makes propagating orchids a breeze, even for beginners. By following these easy steps and giving your plants the tender, loving care they need, you'll be on your way to creating a stunning orchid collection in no time. Guys, propagating orchids doesn't have to be intimidating or complicated. By breaking it down into simple, manageable steps, you can enjoy the thrill of watching your orchid collection grow. So go ahead, give it a try, and experience the joy of propagation for yourself. After a few months, your new plants will look like this. I would appreciate if you can share your experience with orchid propagation in the comment below. Please don't forget to check out my other plant care videos for more tips and tricks on growing your favorite plants. Thanks for watching. Bye.